Hey, badass business owners, are you finding that your business numbers have you confused? You don't know where to start. You don't know what's going on. How about, is your business growing, yet your profits aren't growing at the same pace? Or maybe you're just working more and more hours and you're just not seeing the results that you need. How about you're confused on how to even price your products or services? Well, guess what? All the answers you need can be found in your numbers. But why is it that so many local small business owners fail to just jump in and learn and understand what their business numbers are telling them? Well, here are some of the excuses that I hear. I don't have time to be able to dive in and figure them out. Sometimes people are just afraid of what it is that they might even find. Some people, they just don't get it. They hate math. They don't like anything to do with math. They didn't like math when they were in school, and they just think numbers are just a bunch of math. Well, guess what? It's not. It's not a bunch of math. Listen, I know it can be confusing, all of the terms and the reports and all the different things that you have out there. One, you don't know where to start. Two, you don't know what they mean. And you just think that if you put your head down and you keep working harder and harder, it'll all take care of itself. Well, it's not as difficult as you think. And it's okay for you to seek help. And that's where this course is going to come in, and this is how the course is going to help you out. We're going to talk about the key calculations that you must know and understand. We're going to teach you how to read and understand the most important report you have, which is your profit and loss statement, sometimes called an income statement. We're going to break that sucker down and make sure that you know how to read it and become very proficient at it. And we're going to teach you that between the calculations and the different reports and everything else out there, how can you use the information to grow your sales and profits? And guess what? By the end, you will have confidence to price accordingly and know the profits that you can expect to see in your business from any particular service or product that you offer. You're going to know how to read those business reports with confidence, and you're going to be able to have the knowledge so that you can start earning more profit immediately. Listen, at the end, I want you to learn to love your numbers. You don't have to learn to love math. I'm not going to ask you that, but I guarantee you by the end, you will learn to love your numbers, because of what your numbers are telling you and how your numbers are going to help you put more profit in your pocket. So if you're ready to make more money, I want you to make sure that you sign up below to be notified when the course is ready. And if the course is all ready, then you're ready to jump right in. Either way, it's going to work out for you. Because here's the thing, I want you to come join us at the Know Your Business Numbers course, because knowledge is power. It's going to help you blow up your sales and profits. And even better, it's going to be a living, breathing thing where I'm going to continually add new stuff to help you get better and better based off of the feedback that you guys give me. So if you want to know more about your numbers and how to dive in and how to blow up your sales and profits, then sign up for the course below.